If you're working on a photo composition and need a specific object, you might be able to generate it using Adobe Firefly. Head on over to firefly.adobe.com. Then straight from the homepage, we can start generating our object. A tree with pink leaves on a dirt mound in the middle of a lake. Now, this looks fun, but not exactly what we're looking for. So let's make a few changes. First, I'll want to make sure that the content type is set to photo for more realistic output. And I've also found that the hyper-realistic effect is a must for these types of generations. I also want a wider aspect ratio to more closely fit the project I'm working on. If I were to generate this again, the result will certainly be more realistic. But the overall photo is pretty busy considering we just need the tree. So hopping into the prompt, I'm going to add isolated on a white background at the end. And depending on the background that you're going to be placing it on, you may want to use a different color to make extraction and blending a bit more seamless. That's looking quite better. The last thing I'll touch on is visual intensity. As some of you may know, increasing this value may lead to more intricate results. But increasing it too much may add extra elements, including on the background. So keep that in mind and experiment to find a nice balance. With our new object ready to go, it can be downloaded to our computer or saved directly into a Creative Cloud library, then edited in Photoshop. You can use this exact same technique to generate all sorts of assets for your compositions. Let me know in the comments what you're eager to learn next, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time.